Hey everyone, Happy New Year! Welcome to 2021. I hope you're as excited as I am, and I am going to continue the trend of doing weekly market updates on my YouTube channel this year as well. So lucky for you, you will stay in the loop with everything. As we're kicking off the new year, I have some news that is not that surprising if you've been following everything I've been saying every week. We have a new reading on the market index, and this week it is higher than last week. And actually, when I reported on this, I did a December update for the entire month of December. Posted that on New Year's Day on the 1st, and now it is January 4th. On New Year's Day, our market index was at 424, and now today on the 4th, we're at 436. So it's gone up over the weekend, and as we continue into the new year, I think this is going to remain to be the trend. So 436.7, almost 437. On the demand side, we have 132, so that means we are 32% above normal for demand, which is about where we were at last week. And then on the supply side, we are at 30.2, so that means we're about 70% below normal for our supply. And that's what's really causing the problem right now. For a while, it's been the buyer demand has really put pressure, but man, our supply dropped significantly in December and has stayed low. So I think we all have our fingers crossed that beginning of this year, as January kind of takes hold and we have more people waking up from the holidays, so to speak, that we end up getting more listings because we really need them. I wanted to share some information about supply as well to give you a better idea on where we stand with these numbers, because I can tell you that we have low supply all day long, but what does that really mean? So let's see. So a comparison compared to last year, last January. In 2020, we started the year with about 9,138 single family homes on the market. And as of January 1st of this year, we started out with 3,858 single family homes on the market. So that's a 58% decrease from last January. So that really helps explain why we're feeling what we're feeling, because that's such a significant amount of homes that we don't have anymore for sale. And I remember when we went into January of last year, we were talking about this same thing and talking about how low the supply was and how hard it is going to be for buyers this year. And now we're 58% lower than that. And that's just single family detached homes. So if we look at townhomes and condos and apartments, those numbers are still low, but not quite as significant. So 641 for townhomes last year, 434 for townhomes this year. So that's a 32% decrease. And then for apartments, 651 as we started the year last year and 598 as we start the year now. So that's only an 8% decrease. So it's showing that really the townhomes, condos, and apartment style homes are not seeing this decrease as much as single family detached homes. So good to know. If you're buying a condo or a townhome, you have more options and it's probably less competitive. And if you're buying a single family home, well, we all know the story there. But if you're trying to invest and maybe looking to buy an apartment or a condo or a townhome as a rental or something like that, that could be a good move for you right now, because there's more options to choose from and less competition. So anyway, hopefully that helps. I'm sorry to not have such a positive review as we start the year, but we'll see what happens with supply. I'll continue to track this. And of course, any other new developments with the real estate market here in Phoenix, I will make sure to let you know about. I hope everyone has a great week. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.